sir, madam. I'm Michelle Andres, 23 years old, single.
Good day to you, Miss Michelle. How are you right now?
I'm fine, madam.
Okay, so Miss Michelle, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, must be honest, loyal, hardworking, and patient.
So can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, I will give them food, give them vitamins, give them a bath, play with them, and tutoring.
What if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I am so sorry. I'll promise that I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I need this job for my family financially. I'll promise that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Michelle, and good luck.